High-end fashion brands, discover luxury labels. High-end fashion brands, discover luxury labels. Fashion is an art form that allows people to express their unique sense of style and individuality. While there are countless fashion brands catering to different tastes and budgets, there is a CertaPro. In allure to high-end fashion brands that exude luxury, exclusivity, and opulence. In this article, we will dive into the world of high-end fashion brands and explore some of the most renowned labels that define the essence of luxury. When it comes to high-end fashion, one cannot ignore the iconic brand, Chanel. Founded in 1909 by Gabrielle Coco Chanel, this fashion powerhouse has become synonymous with elegance, sophistication, and timelessness. From the iconic little black dress to the timeless Chanel suit, no other brand has been able to capture the essence of chicness quite like Chanel. Their attention to detail, quality, wide craftsmanship, and use of only the finest materials make Chanel a brand that epitomizes luxury. Another legendary fashion house is Christian Dior. Established in 1946 by the eponymous designer, Christian Dior revolutionized the fashion industry with his new look collection, which emphasized femininity and luxury. Dior has since become a symbol of luxury and glamour, known for its exquisite couture gowns, opulent accessories, and iconic handbags like the Lady Dior. The brand's commitment to craftsmanship and its ability to create timeless pieces have made it a favorite among fashion aficionados and celebrities around the world. Moving on to Italian luxury brands, Gucci stands out as one of the leading names in high-end fashion. Founded in Florence in 1921, Gucci has built a reputation for its bold designs, vibrant prints, and innovative approach to fashion. The brand's distinctive double G logo has become a symbol of wealth and style, adorning everything from handbags to shoes and clothing. Gucci's ability to seamlessly blend tradition with innovation has garnered a loyal following and cemented its status as a luxury fashion brand. If one is looking for sophistication and elegance, then Louis Vuitton is the brand to consider. Established in 1854 in Paris, Louis Vuitton is renowned for its iconic monogram print, which has become an emblem of luxury and refinement. Known for its luggage, handbags, and accessories, the brand's commitment to craftsmanship, attention to detail, and use of high-quality materials are second to none. Owning a Louis Vuitton piece is a symbol of luxury and success, and the brand continues to set the standard for high-end fashion. Moving away from the European fashion houses, we cannot overlook a label that has made waves in the fashion industry, Prada. Founded by Mario Prada in 1913 in Milan, Prada has become synonymous with avant-garde and innovative design. The brand is known for its clean lines, minimalist aesthetic, and use of unconventional materials. Prada's ability to push boundaries and challenge traditional ions of beauty and style has gained it a loyal following among fashion-forward individuals who appreciate a unique approach to luxury. Of course, this list would not be complete without the mention of Hermès. Established in 1837 in Paris as a harness workshop, Hermès has evolved into a global luxury brand known for its iconic accessories, particularly the Hermès Birkin and Kelly bags. These bags have become status symbols, coveted by fashion enthusiasts and celebrities alike. Crafted from the finest materials by highly skilled artisans, owning an Hermès piece is considered the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. While the mentioned brands are heralded as high-end fashion icons, it's important to note that there are numerous other luxury labels that deserve recognition. From Givenchy to Saint Laurent, Balenciaga de Valentino, Each brand brings its own unique aesthetic and signature style to the world of luxury fashion. Investing in high-end fashion goes beyond purchasing a mere piece of clothing or an accessory. It is an investment in art, craftsmanship, and heritage. These brands have carefully curated their reputation over the years, consistently delivering impeccable quality, timeless designs, and exceptional customer experiences. Beyond the price tag, high-end fashion brands represent the pinnacle of luxury. Embodying elegance, exclusivity, and the pursuit of perfection. Whether one aspires to own a piece from these luxury brands or simply admire them from afar, they will continue to inspire and shape the world of fashion for years to come. These brands have become synonymous with luxury, craftsmanship, and individuality. From their iconic designs to their impeccable attention to detail, they set the standard for the fashion industry. But it's not just about owning a piece from these luxury